Duck Pass off of Duck Creek Road. Hidden Lake, Duck Creek Road, 12 miles. A square on top of a rectangle. Half a mile into the hike, 500-foot gain, and a sick view of the valley. That is Duck Creek Pass. So, a couple, 2-3 miles down the trail, find this fucking Big Belt Hut. Welcome to the Big Belt Hut. I don't see any private property signs, so I don't know if this is for rent or just someone's house. Hopefully I don't get shot at. Hello? Anybody home? Backcountry Yurts. Badass. Oh, someone's here. Look, there's even beers. What? Hello? Wow. This is fucking amazing. Is anybody home? Somebody's around. Their stuff's everywhere. Is this an outhouse? Badass. This is fucking awesome. Wow. I'm gonna give them their privacy. I'm not gonna peek in the windows. But I want to really bad. Oh my God. Stunning.